Are you looking for the best crepe makers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best crepe makers that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. G&M Kitchen Crepe Maker Machine. Mostly black polished, this 12-inch diameter crepe maker is fabricated from non-stick aluminum surface friendly for utilization as a griddle and for cooking breakfast recipes such as eggs, bacon, and roti. You just have to plug in the device, wait to heat it up, and then start cooking. Nevertheless, the front interface of the device includes a rotating temperature knob for adjustments on temperature. It also includes 2 indicator lights for temperature, in green, and power, in orange, to facilitate the operation. Aside from the device, the package includes a wooden batter spreader, spatula, and a book containing 100 recipes. Looking at the design of the device, it's a bit awkward. It doesn't have any edges to prevent spillage. Thus, you'll just really have to practice on making crepes without it. The light indicator is intuitive for convenient utilization. Number 4. Cucina Pro Electric Crepe Maker. Cucina's electric-powered crepe pan and griddle are round-shaped with dimensions of 12 inches diameter. Its ends are raised inclined to prevent missing any spots and food spillage. Mainly black finished, this pan is manufactured from non-stick aluminum perfect to be used for making pancakes, bacon, and other breakfast recipes. To maximize the operation, the pan has incorporated an interface to control the temperature. Nevertheless, it has 5 different temperature settings and an on-off light that illuminates upon activating it as needed. The package also includes a batter spreader to be used for making thin crepes and a recipe book for cooking this pan. Since it's electrically powered, you'll just have to plug in the pan to a socket to start the operation. Number 3. Morningstar Crepe Maker Pro. An expensive crepe maker having package dimensions of 13x13 by 4 inches. Mainly white and black coated, this 6-pound device is fabricated from the aluminum non-stick surface, brushed metal, and plastic base for sturdy material quality. The 13-inch diameter black aluminum surface has raised edges to prevent spillage. Aside from that, it has 2 handles for portability and efficient utilization. This is a versatile device to be used in making crepes, eggs, pancakes, and many more. On its front interface, the device operates through a rotating dial for temperature adjustments. It also includes 2 LED orange and green lights that illuminate upon indication of temperature and power. It heats up to 1000 watts for easy crepe making powered using a 110-volt socket as needed. The package of this device includes a set of instructions and recipe and a wooden T-shaped spreader batter. Number 2. Cucina Pro Cordless Crepe Maker with Recipe Guide 1447. Having package dimensions of 15 L by 7.5 W, this 2.5-pound crepe maker creates perfectly thin crepes in an easy and fast way. All you have to do is dip, heat, and stack the dipping plate to have crepes. The 7.5-inch diameter device is white finished and concave with a plastic body and handle. Nevertheless, the handle incorporates a red LED light to indicate that the surface of the device is sufficiently hot for cooking. The non-stick coating is covered black, BPA-free and non-toxic for utilization. The device runs corded or cordless using a 110-volt socket plug under the device. The package of this device includes a spreader, a dipping plate, a user manual, and a recipe booklet to create a variety of crepe and other foods. Number 1. NutriChef Electric Crepe Maker Griddle. Equipped with a 12-inch diameter round compact design, this 2.4-pound crepe maker is manufactured from non-stick aluminum and highly black finish to be used for every cooking operation. The front interface is presented with an adjustable temperature dial and a power, on/off button for controls during the operation. Nevertheless, this crepe maker is great for making a variety of foods including breakfast recipes from bacon, eggs, to crepes. Having a package dimensions of 12 by 12.9 by 2.4 inches, This device powers 1200 watts with a corresponding voltage of 120 volts. Aside from the device, the package includes a wooden batter spreader and a spatula used as an aid to make crepes.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.